Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you all are doing great. So in today's video, I'll be sharing with you all a review about a foundation. This is one of my go-to absolute favorite foundation. So I thought of making a video on it. I have been using this foundation from 2 years and it's all-time favorite foundation. So the foundation is from L'Oreal Paris Infallible Pro Glow foundation. So this is how the foundation looks like. So this foundation has two variants. It has a Pro Matte and this is Pro Glow. So if you are having a normal to dry skin, this is one of your like a to-go foundation. The name itself says Glow Foundation. So yeah, yes, it is a Glow Foundation. So it also has SPF of 15 and they have about 12 shades, and mine is in the shade 211 Creme Cafe. I think there are two more shades than my skin tone, or one shade, I'm not sure, but overall they have 12 shades, and mine will be last second or last third, but yeah. And this is also travel friendly because it is in a tube format, and the package is also very simple and basic plastic packaging. It has the black, and here also it has black, and in the middle it's transparent, so you can see the shade. The only thing is the foundation is too runny, so it gets stuck in the cap. You have to keep cleaning the cap. That is the only thing, and it is of 1 FL or 30 ml. So this is a standard foundation quantity itself, and I got this from Walmart. It was about 10.5 or $11. I just checked in Walmart, it is still available, and also I checked in Ulta, it is also available there, but then in Ulta it is, I think, close to $13. Yeah, but then I picked it from Walmart, and behind you will have all the details. And the thing is, whenever you are using this foundation, you have to shake it well. So that is what the important thing, and they also mentioned behind. And usually whenever you are using any foundation, it is always better if you shake it and use it. I got this foundation when I was carrying with Ansh. I think I was around 5 months. Then it was Avyan's second birthday. So Avyan's second birthday, I got this foundation. So everybody who came to meet us, that is the first time most of them came to know that I was carrying, and everybody were asking me that my skin was glowing because of this foundation. I used this foundation and I got so many compliments because it was my first day using this foundation, and then like I got so many good compliments that my skin is glowing. Everybody thought it is of my pregnancy glow, but then I give credit to this particular foundation because when we apply, it looks very natural on the skin. It doesn't feel like you have applied a foundation, or it looks cakey, or it is not heavy. so it is very light on the skin and it also looks like your natural skin. This foundation, you can use it from a medium to buildable coverage. I just take one pump of it and I try to like mixing it with any primer which I use. Most of the cases I reach out to this Becca backlight primer filter. This is the Becca backlight primer filter which I use. Even this has two varieties, and this is the my go-to. So these two are absolute go-to combination for me. I'm using this particular primer. What I do is I don't apply this primer on my face beforehand. I take a pump of this and a pump of this and mix it on my hands, and then I'll put it on my face, and I either use a brush or a sponge, or sometimes if I'm in a hurry I use my fingers too, because it blends nicely and it looks natural when you use with your fingers, because already I'm applying the foundation on my hands to mix it. So if I'm using any sponge, this is the sponge, this is from Elf. I just used it, that's why the size of the sponge is little big. Yeah, and at the end I try to set it with Max Prep and Primer water. This is in the variant coconut, and then I again use this sponge to blend it nicely. So this is the foundation which I'm having now, and this is one of my go-to foundation. And if you're having normal to dry skin, you have to try this. Even if I'm not using any primer and if I'm using just my moisturizer, it gives a good glow, and it also stays for a long period of time. Like if I apply it in the morning, until then in the night, it doesn't wear out. It will wear out only near my mouth area and sometimes here, but not much. I also have a hyperpigmentation all over my lips, and it also covers it nicely. Nicely means it you can see that pigmentation, but then it nicely blends with my skin tone. That is what I want to tell. And this is my right shade. One best thing about L'Oreal foundations till date, what all I have tried, their color range. They have a wide color range suitable for all skin tones. So it is drugstore, it is pretty affordable. I think L'Oreal is a little bit high, but then the quality and the quantity of the L'Oreal products I really like from drugstore. Recently I have seen their price range is going very high, but then if it is working, it works well. So yeah, this foundation is one of the best foundation from the drugstore, guys. If you are having normal to dry skin, I would highly suggest you to try this foundation. And it just feels like your skin, but in a better way. It covers your hyperpigmentation, darker spots and something else, but then it looks like your skin. So that is the main thing I like about this foundation, and it also blends very well into your skin. So yeah, I hope you all have enjoyed watching this video. If you do, so please hit on the like button and also subscribe back to my channel. I'll soon catch you guys in my next video. Until then, bye. Happy Sunday. I hope I hope you all enjoyed watching this video. Please hit on the like button and also subscribe to Mommy's channel. Bye.
Bye. Oh, we will see bye.